Hi everyone, welcome to my US dollar analysis. I'm JR. Thank you for joining me. December 4th, 2020. The year is going to end very, very bad for the US dollar. I'm going to highlight another asset class here with the US dollar. It's going to be Ripple, a cryptocurrency. I'll tell you why I'm showing you guys that chart as well. And pretty much is because of this diamond formation. We've been following this diamond formation, I think, since the market was roughly at around 95. The US dollar now trading in at 90.81, 90 and 3/4. And I have to be honest with you, if you hold US dollars, you should be extremely worried. These diamond formations are nothing to play with. When they're real and they come together, they're very strong. I predicted that this market is going to go to 78, and it's more than likely going to do it. What happened this week was that this diamond finally broke, and this is really not good for the US dollar, and this is really the time for you to start really buying some gold and some silver. Never in the history of the US dollar should you be more cautious and more worried now than today, than now. Right? And the reason why is because, again, this is where the dollar is going. The dollar is going to go. This is a diamond formation. There's no doubt about it. This thing is going to go down to 78. The dollar, the gold market, anything, I mean, all commodities are just going to take off. I'm telling you that right now. And I've been calling on this to happen here for quite some time. So pay attention, because this is, if you ask me, this is the shift. This is the paradigm shift that we've been waiting for. The U.S. dollar is going to, this is really, this is going to tear down the U.S. dollar. This is going to bring the U.S. dollar to its knees. Okay? And if you don't believe what these diamond formations can do, let's look at the Ripple market. Right? This is your diamond. This is a bullish diamond. Right? So I predicted this bullish diamond as soon as I saw this top and we made this move to the bottom. I predicted this move. This was a diamond, and look what happened. This is, again, one of the stronger formations that you're going to find out there is the diamond formation, and the US dollar is in a lot of trouble. By the way, I hope you've been following my analysis, and I hope you took some of my advice, because if you bought some Ripple, you tripled your money. Congratulations. You tripled your money within a matter of 2 months, actually 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, Ripple went from 24 cents to 75 cents. And this is what's coming. This is what's going to happen. I think Ripple is going to surpass the high of $3, $3.20. And I think eventually is going to hit $6 or $7, $8. So what a time for you to get involved in the Ripple market. Now, this is a cryptocurrency, so would I advise for you to put 10-15% of your funds in this? I don't think so. Maybe if you're super duper aggressive and you really want to change your net worth, maybe you want to put 15-20%. But again, this is still a crypto, and typically I'm advising no more than 1 or 2% of your funds should be in cryptos. So with that said, wowzers, this is more than likely going to continue to go up. It's more than likely going to hit 329, and it's more than likely going to surpass 329, going to at least $6 or $7 or $8 and even $9. That's been my prediction here for quite some time. So right, let's go back to the US dollar. Again, US dollar in a lot of trouble. You have a high, you have a low, you have a high, and more than likely the low. This is the only thing saving the US dollar right here, this level of support. We can probably see something like this, where the market comes back over here and then continues to go down. But the dollar is in a lot of trouble. And if you don't believe me that the dollar is in a lot of trouble, look at gold and look at silver. These things have taken off. And if I go here and I look at the commodities, some of the commodities that I follow, let's look at oil, right? Oil, again, just broke above resistance. So oil is more than likely going to do something like this. Oil is more than likely going to test 64 very, very soon. Let's look at corn. I've been predicting that corn is going to find some support, maybe a little bit lower. It didn't, but it's actually moved up quite nicely. It's gone from It's gone from 3 to 4, right? Let's look at soybeans. That's another market that's taken off. Let's look at wheat. Wheat is obviously taken off. Look, above this level of resistance. This is more than likely going to find some support and continue to go higher. I mean, the trend is definitely higher, right? Let's look at sugar. I've been telling you guys to buy some sugar. Look, at 9 cents, and now it's trading at 14 cents, right? This is coffee and so on. So my point being that commodities in general are going to rise because the US dollar is in a lot of trouble. Get out of your US dollars. I'm telling you, there's nothing there for you. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll see you next time.